Welcome to 2017 GCE exam based on transformation, section B, question 7. Answer the whole of this question on a sheet of graph paper using a scale of 1 centimeter to represent 1 unit on each axis. Draw x and y axis for -6 less or equal to x less or equal to 10 and -6 less or equal to y less or equal to 12. So here it means we need to get your ruler. So we have a 0 here. So 1 centimeter to represent 1 unit. Then for x-axis, it will go to start from -6 on the negative part to +10. So here we have 1. This is 1 centimeter to represent 1 unit. So to go like 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Must go up to 10 according to the rules. Shape 7, you have 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is our x-axis. And the negative part, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. So from -6 to +10. Then on y-axis, from -6 to +12. So -6, -1 here, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. +12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You extend. 9, 10, 11, 12. So this is our y-axis. Then we plot quadrilateral ABCD has vertices A 1, 2. 1 is here, 2 is here. That's 1, 2. B 2, 1. B 2, 1 is here. C 3, 2. C 3, 2. 3 here. 2 is here. D 2, 3. 2, 3 is here. So then you have been given this. You need to connect. Use your rule. Connect. So 1, 2 was here. That's your A. 2, 1 was here. That's your B. 3, 2 was there. That's your C. 2, 3 was here. That's your D. we've also been given the image A1, B1, C1, D1. It means the image quadrilateral A1, B1, C1, D1 has vertices A1, 3, 2, 3 is here, 2 is where? It's here, 3, 2 is there. It's just here on C. Then 6, 1, your 6 is here, your 1 is here, 6, 1. Then 9, 2, your 9 is here, your 2 is there. Then 6, 3, 6, 3 is here. So you connect. Connect. So indicate our 3, 2 was A1. Here it was A1. 6, 1 was B1. B1 was here. Then 9, 1 C1 was here. Then 6, 3 it was D1. It was D1. Okay, supposed to appear like that. So we'll get our marks, 2 marks. Draw and label quadrilaterals A, B, C, D and A1, B1, C1, D1. We have drawn that. 2. Describe fully a single transformation which maps quadrilateral A, B, C, D onto this. It was transformed into this. So, as you can see, so we need to label accordingly. This is the A2, from this to this image. What happened here? Remember, we've learned about, in the previous videos, we talked about 6 transformations: translation, reflection, rotation, enlargement, shear, stretch. So what could be this type of transformation? So this one, it is stretch. Stretch is the one which usually starts from within the shape itself. Stretch is like enlargement, but in this case, this is stretch. So you say it is stretch. You state like that, stretch. Then for stretch, you need to identify the line which hasn't moved. The line which hasn't moved, as you can see, it was moving towards, you see, it was moving towards the x-axis, not the y-axis. So it was x-axis direction, stretch, x-axis direction. It means y-axis invariant. It never moved towards the y-axis. So you write y-axis invariant. Y-axis invariant. Invariant, it means not moving. Then we need to state also the stretch factor. So you say with stretch factor, stretch factor is K. So what's the stretch factor? So the formula for stretch factor is, you can get any two corresponding images, maybe from A image to B image, over from A object to B object. Let's say, so the A image is here, the B image is here. So how many units? 1, 2, 3 units. So you write 3. Then you go to the object A, B. From A to B, look at A where it is and B where it is. 1. So this is a 1 unit. 2 minus 1 is 1 unit over 1. So stretch factor is a 3. If you wanted, you'd have gotten other letters, maybe DC, still to be 3, over the DC from here still to be 1. So thus we have described this transformation fully. Then B, the matrix 1 3 0 1 maps quadrilateral A B C D onto quadrilateral A B C D, A2 B2 C2 D2. You see, a quadrilateral is a four-sided shape. So find the coordinates of quadrilateral A2 B2 C2 D2. Find the coordinates. So just have to multiply. We just have to multiply here. So this is the B1. So get the matrix 1 3 0 1 times the A object, the B, the C point, the D. You see? Okay. So the A, B, C, D, they are the ones that were given here, as you can see. You see? Maps quadrilateral A, B, C, D. So 1, 2, meaning 1 and a 2, 2, 1, 2, 1, C, 3, 2, 3, 2, D, 2, 3. So we need to multiply. So row by column. So have this A2, B2, C2, D2. You see, row by column. You multiply the way you do under matrices. So 1 times 1, 1 plus 0 times 2, 0. Go for this B. 1 times 2, 2 plus 0 times 1, 0. Go for this C. 1 times 3, 3 plus 0 times 2, 2. Go for this D. 1 times 2, 2 plus 0 times 3, 0. Start with this now. Begin this 3 and the 1. 3 times 1, 3 plus 1 times 2, 2. 3 times 2, 6 plus 1 times 1, 1. 3 times 3, 9 plus 1 times 2, 2. 3 times 2, 6 plus 1 times 3, 3. So this is 1, this is 5, 2, 7, 5, 11, 2, 9. So these will be the images. These will be the images for those points. So we have, remember they are saying the images will be labeled A2, B2, C2. So A2, B2, C2, D2. So we have 1, 5, 2, 7, 5, 11, 2, 9. So since they're talking about coordinates, we can then write them like this. A2 is 1, 5. B2 is 2, 7. C2 is 5, 11. D2 is 2, 9. So the markers will mark this as part of your working. So question 1 we have answered. Question 2 they're saying draw and label quadrilateral A2, B2, C2, D2. The same ones are from finding. We draw them. So 1, 5. 1 is here. 5 is here. 2, 7. 2 is here. 7 is here. 5, 11. 5 is here. 11 is there. Then 2, 9. 2 is here. Then 9 is here. So we connect. So let's see. We had 2, 7. Oh, sorry. We made a mistake here. So we made a mistake here. This 5, this C. So we can multiply again. 1, it was from here, remember? This one. 1 times 3, 3 plus 0 times 2 is 0. So this is supposed to be 3 plus 0, 3. So even here is 3. 3, 11. Even here, 3. Even here, this point 3, 11 is there. See, 3, 11. So we had 1, 5, 2, 7. So this point is not existing. This is why you need to use pencils in an exam. So 1, 5 is here. 2, 7 is here. Then we have, what else do we have? 3, 11 is here. Then we have 2, 9. So we need to connect. So this is what you're supposed to do. So always check what you're supposed to do. You counter check with multiplication. So 1, 5 was A2 here. 2, 7 was B2. 3, 11 was D2. Then 2, 9 was D2. So we have drawn this. So C, they're saying quadrilateral A3, B3, C3, D3, meaning this is they have formed another shape, has vertices A3, -2, -4. We plot -2, -4, -2 is here, -4 is here, -4, -2, another point, -4, -2 is here, -6, -4, another point, -6, -4 here, another point, -4, -6, -4, -6 is here. So the lesson, describe fully the transformation which maps. Okay, let us just connect. We connect. So by drawing this, you can still get some marks. You get some marks. That's the beauty about construction. So we read through again. -2, -4. -2, -4 was our A3. -4, -2 was our B3. -6, -4 was our C3. Was our C3. Then -4, -6 was our D3. So they're saying describe fully the transformation which maps quadrilateral ABCD, the one we had drawn earlier, this one, onto the one we are from drawing. So look at this, from this to this, it has been like this is enlargement. This is enlargement. So you can state this is C. You know, there's space everywhere. You can write your answers. So your C is here. This is enlargement. That is enlargement. For enlargement, you need to state the scale factor and the center of enlargement. This is enlargement. What's the center? And how do you find the center? So for the center, connect the A and A image. A and A image. Also, sorry, we are talking about this and this. So A and A image connect. B and B image also connect. You see, you can connect A and A image, draw a line. Also B and the B image, draw another line. They will meet somewhere. So the A object is here and the A image is there. Connect using dotted lines. See, then let us also go for B and the B image, the B and the B image. You see, where have they crossed? Here. So center is 0, 0, center 0, 0, and also the scale factor. Scale factor K, what is the method for finding the scale factor? So scale factor, you can just get any 2 points from A image to B image over from A object to B object. So in this case, images, they are labeled 3, 3. So you can say 3, 3. Here it was put under, is fine. So from A image to B image, you can choose any letter, C to D image, whichever, B to C image. So from A to B image, meaning from here to B, from A image to B, how many units are in between? We have 1, 2. So you write 2 over, you go to each object from here to here. How many units were there? How many? Look at 1 here, here 2. So 2 minus 1 is 1. So the answer is 2. You see that? The answer is 2. So now, your final answer, therefore, K, have you seen the centers here? The object is here and the image is there on the opposite side of the object. They are on the opposite side from the center, right? So the scale factor must be negative. We put -2. If the image and the object were on the same side here, we're on the same side there, we're going to put positive. Now they're on the different sides. As you can see, the center is here, but they're on the different sides. We put negative on our scale factor. So here, scale factor is -2. This is what you're supposed to do.